Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Videsh Way, your ultimate guide to study abroad. This is Nandini and today I'm here to tell you all about scholarships and fundings. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं UK गवर्नमेंट के फंडेड scholarships की जो fully या major funding देती है. These scholarships are highly competitive but offer generous support. Okay, so first we have Chevening Scholarship. Chevening Scholarship is a scholarship which is fully funded for your 1 year masters. It covers your tuition fee, your airfare, your living expenses. Second, we have Commonwealth Scholarship. Commonwealth Scholarship is the scholarship which is for the students who belong from Commonwealth countries. It covers your tuition fees, your travel and your stipend. These scholarships are the scholarships for your masters and PhD programs. Third, we have Great Scholarship. It is offered in partnership with UK universities. Now let's explore some of the top university funded scholarships you should keep your eye on. First, we have University of Oxford, which has Clarendon Fund, which is fully funded scholarship for your masters and your PhD. Then we have University of Cambridge. It has Gates Cambridge Scholarship. It covers full study cost including your airfare and stipend. Then we have University of Edinburgh. It has global scholarships. It offers partial tuition fee waivers. Then we have for Imperial College London. It has President's PhD scholarships, which are fully funded PhD opportunities. Then we have for the University of Westminster. This scholarship is for the students from developing countries. If you have any difficulty finding the right scholarship for you or the right course for you, you can simply go to our website, which is written here or also in the description, and check out the courses and the scholarships you are eligible for. Now moving on to section number 3, which is other funding sources. Beyond UK universities and the government, here are some amazing funding options by external organizations. So first we have British Council Scholarships, which offers women in STEM scholarships and more. Second, we have INLAC's Shiv Dasani Foundation for Indian students. It funds top tier UK Masters program. Third, we have Charles Wallens India Trust Scholarship. This scholarship is for arts, heritage and humanities students. Then fourth, we have Commonwealth Shared Scholarship. It is jointly funded by UK universities. If you find any difficulty finding the right scholarship or the right courses, here's the name of our website and there's a link in the description. You can just simply go there and check which scholarship is the right one for you. So now let's move to section number 4, which are tips for applying. To boost your chances of securing a good scholarship, keep these things in mind. First, apply early. Most deadlines close by 6 to 12 months before the course starts. Second, keep your academic record strong because obviously. Third, write a compelling statement of purpose and get solid letters of recommendations. Fourth, meet language test requirements like IELTS and TOEFL. Fifth, and the most important one, don't rely on one. Apply to multiple scholarships because you never know. So by now, you know that studying in the UK is possible and affordable with the right scholarships. Check the description below for application links and details. You can check our website videshway.com for more details and for more scholarship options. If you need any help writing the SOPs or finding the right scholarships for smooth and professional application process, you can contact our counselors or comment below or DM us on Instagram. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such updates.